What's a white box challenge? It's real simple. I have a white box, like this one, filled with fun things. What's in it will be different for each challenge. Most items can be found in your home or in the great outdoors. In each video, I will reveal different contents. All you have to do is gather those items and start crafting. What you choose to do with them is entirely up to you and your imagination. The goal is to use your creativity and craft. Are you ready for your white box challenge? Let's open the box. We have a picture frame. If you don't have an old picture frame lying around that you can repurpose for this project, you can buy one, like this one, from a dollar store or a pound store. I have some stones. Now these are used for aquariums, but you can also collect stones from outside from the garden or when you go for a walk. And PVA glue. What can you do with just 3 items? Let me know in the comments below.